Do you dream to create music in the studio? In the Ableton for Music Producers and Audio Engineers course, we give you an insider's look on all the aspects essential to becoming a true modern music producer in the studio.
Throughout the program, you will learn the ins and outs of Ableton, which will set you up to master the digital audio workstation in a time-effective approach. This will help you overcome the steep learning curve associated with the program in a digestible manner.
In only the first 5 courses, you'll learn the basics of Ableton Live. As one of the most popular digital audio workstations in the market, you'll be learning to operate a tool that is essential to creating music in the moment while working with artists at the studio. From the building up of your ideas to the full arrangement of your music.
With lessons covering subtractive synthesis, operator, impulse, and drum racks, you will learn to manipulate all the parameters of the stock virtual instrumentation. Build on these instruments by learning to create multiple automation lanes, which will breathe life into your mix with true movement in the melodic sections of your tracks. Manipulate the cutoff frequencies of your low-pass filters on your virtual synthesizers to open up the high-frequency detail in your sounds, or have it automated in a rhythmic manner using an LFO up and down the spectrum of human hearing to create the classic electronic wobble sound.
In audio processing, you'll be using simpler or sampler to apply modern sample editing techniques. From time stretching the set BPM of your loops to resampling the sounds, you must create completely new ones. With these techniques, you'll be able to properly manipulate samples to fit perfectly in your tracks.
We will cover everything essential, from finalizing compositions to faux mastering, so you will have a proper, fleshed-out piece of music to show for your time in the program. Not only will you be covering the ins and outs of Ableton, but with lessons like Sound and Hearing and Mix 101, you'll learn the essential mixing aspects necessary to make an industry-quality mix ready for release.
Your mentor will lend their ears and expertise to help you understand the proper techniques to jumpstart your career as a professional. Your mentor will help you to understand the material and will also help you to develop your own workflow, which you'll use in your own career in the future.
Remember, with the Recording Connection, you learn in a real recording studio as your classroom. Your mentor is a celebrated music producer who has made records that you and your friends have heard of.